Today, this is my sister, and I went shopping by myself, and I buy this. A perfume, and I'm gonna open it up. Let's get started. And this is my sister, Cuddy Sale, so let me open it. Let's get started. You have a little tape here. A little more tape. My daddy's gonna help me take it out. My daddy already got it out, so let's get it out. So now let's experiment this time. What the heck? There we go.
Cierra los ojos.
So then, with the spray, you spray it down my eye. It was just an accident. So we're gonna use this. And we're gonna use it. And they have Ola. They have on their nose. So let's open it back. I don't know what this is for. Oh, you have a little thing. Where did I put this on? Okay. Smells really possible. Smells really good. When I was getting out. And put the top on. Yeah. Let's get out. Don't get in. Get outside. In. So that was a little messy. So look everyone, this is the Elsa's castle. Look at the box. There's some snowflakes there. So that's enough for this video, guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Bye.